Well, hello. In today's video, I'm going to be clearing out and doing a pantry makeover. Lots of organization. I want to make a really good lunch and snack system so the kids can help me grab things and pack their lunches in the morning. First things first, I need to show you the disaster of a pantry that I currently own. No pre-cleaning here. It is what it is, real and raw. I got stuff all over the place. Is that a laptop? Like, for real? For real. Like, this is terrible. But I did go to Target yesterday and I got some bins and they fit beautifully. I already started putting stuff in it because I was getting a little excited and I'm impulsive. That's my nature. But I got two sizes. I got this big one and I think this was like $8. And then I got these ones, which were $6. Yes, probably a little bit pricier than you would find at the dollar store, but I loved the quality. And to me, I'm willing to pay a little extra to make sure that my pantry is clean and organized and functional. Yeah, kids are going back to school soon, so I really wanted to make a section down below where the kids can help me pack their lunch. Lunch packing systems are really helpful in this family, and it's been a while because of COVID. So I am going to switch into a voiceover now because I am much more productive when I have some jams bumping, and then I will talk to you guys, you know, as I go. Before we get too deep into this video, I'm going to be real and raw with you guys. We are a family of 7. We're big eaters. We always have a lot of food on hand, and this video is just going to be super realistic. This is a real life, large family of 7 walk through pantry type of video. No Pinterest style things and labels and sticky wallpaper on the walls and pretty carpets. This is real life, and I just want a functional and clean and organized pantry. I do not have the luxury of taking everything out of my pantry and then leisurely going through it on my counter and doing it all in one day, because realistically this is going to take me at least 2 days. I have a very busy household and a very small window to be organizing my pantry. So my strategy here was just kind of take out the things that I know I did not want in the pantry and then did not belong there, put them where they belonged, and then come back to reassess my life. So my strategy here was to just kind of put things on the level that I needed it to be on for accessibility. Like, there's no need for me to have pasta sauces and barbecue and ketchup so far down below. So I went ahead and put that up, since I'm pretty much the only one that's probably going to be going in the pantry and getting that. I wanted the kids' snacks and lunch system low for them to reach it so that they can help me pack their own lunches. Then I was kind of thinking, like, for aesthetics, where should the bins go? And I realized that it would probably look a little bit more neat if all the bins were in the same row on the same level together. So that's kind of how I started figuring out where things are going to go. Big bagged chips and cereals and things like that, I decided to put in larger bins up above, because those are just kind of like my fillers. I have organized containers for the cereal that I will go ahead and put the cereal in and fill it up as needed so the kids can reach it. But all of the excess bulk things I decided to just put up above. It just made sense for us. So as you can see, there was no big game plan or strategy going into this pantry organization video, but I will say that I just started putting things in bins, like all of our bulk crackers and things like that. I put it in a bin that fit, and then I started moving things around to, you know, how it would be better for our family to function and have kids grab the things that they needed to grab, and then put things up high that we didn't really use as often. In addition to having a section for the kids to grab, I really wanted my own section with my Built Bars. These Built Bars are a guilt-free pleasure with a high-protein, gluten-free, and low-calorie nutrition profile. They taste absolutely amazing, and they have so many different flavors. I definitely wanted a bin separate from the kids' stuff, so it encourages me to make better options and grab a Built Bar instead of something else that maybe not be as nutritious. There's so many amazingly yummy flavors. Click the link in the bio to check them out. And of course, with 5 kiddos, there's never a dull moment where someone is not wanting something.
So little Natalia is in there asking for crackers and checking out all the goodies that she sees in the pantry. I'm actually surprised that the other four didn't come down and request something. Okay, we are making headway. I'm definitely seeing the light at the end of the tunnel, and things are starting to fit perfectly in these bins, and I'm trying to figure out where they're gonna go, but it's really going well. One of the main benefits of organizing your pantry is you're actually able to like touch everything and put eyes on everything and check expiration dates. I literally had some like mac and cheese that my husband bought in bulk when the pandemic hit, and he frantically bought a whole bunch of cases of water and canned goods and mac and cheese and just kind of non-perishable things like that. And some of them were very close, if not right at the expiration date. And since I had so much, I decided to just toss whatever was super close to the date, just so I can kind of minimize the pantry a little bit. For my onions and potatoes, I switched from a wire basket that had large holes, and it was so frustrating because all the layers of the onion kept coming off and all over the floor of my pantry. I picked up a airtight container for my cat's food. It'll keep his food fresh. Now for the cans, I knew I just wanted to keep them on the bottom shelf because they are probably the most heaviest items we have in the pantry, and I just wanted to organize them by category. I did end up getting rid of a lot, but there's still a lot, and we normally don't really use a lot of canned food. These are just things that we like to have on hand for emergency. Like I said, during when the pandemic hit, my husband, he bought a little bit extra just in case, but I have a feeling we're going to end up donating a lot of it.
I need to get this pantry done today. Like, it will happen. I got 6 more of these bins. I did not know I needed this much. 1 more of these. I wanted to get 2, so I'm gonna have to, I don't know. We're gonna have to pick, we're gonna have to condense. And then 2 more of these. We're almost done, bear with me, let's go. Okay, this is what it looks like when it's finished. Everything is super realistic and functional in here. I do not have fancy labels yet. I do plan on putting some sticky labels on here, but in due time, because I've got a lot going on today. I put extra cereal up there in bags because I always buy my cereal in bulk, and then I've got cereal down here. My kids love mix it up cereal, so when I'm running low out of one, I just mix it all together and they absolutely love that. Up here I've got some ramens, so I figured I'll put big bagged type of things up and then more of my individual serving type things for lunches down below. We've got cereal, ramen, chips, crackers, nuts, and dried fruit. And then we've got like rices and quinoa and pasta. And then all of my excess condiments that I have here. These Ed likes to take in his lunch. I actually ordered a bunch of more snacks for him for lunch, so I'll probably use my extra bin, it's somewhere over there, to put his stuff in there. Of course, I've got my Built Bars. I need these after my workout. They keep my energy going throughout the day. Oatmeal, this is the only, actually right here and right here is the only little sweet treats that I have in here. On Fridays, I let the kids pick a sweet treat in their Friday lunch, so they will pick it from there. And then we've got popcorn. This fits perfectly in here. And then down below here, I've got my cat's stuff, bread, and then this is our lunch system. I've got canned foods here, soups in here, meats in here, more meats in here. These are like tuna and chicken breast stuff. My potatoes and onions here. Mac and cheese, beefaroni, or whatever those called, ravioli type of things. I still need to get a couple bins from down here because Target was out, but this is just bags and extra large cleaning supplies. I'm going to put it in a bin and I'm going to put it in the garage. Organizational garage video definitely coming soon. Got some cat litter here. Kaya, my dog's food. I have an emergency type first aid kit. I gotta pack that away. Anything that I don't want to keep on the shelves that are breakable, I keep down below here. Over here, we've got extra paper towels. This is my extra plates and silverware and napkins. Got a jug that I use for Ace's football games, and then a little cooler which we use for picnics. It's just easy to grab and pack in here. Got all my baking type stuff, cake mixes. Always got to have a cookie jar for good behavior. Cups, supplements. I usually put my supplements down here, my vitamins and things, but I decided it's probably a little bit safer to put it up here. My cleaning bottles that I use, more baking stuff that did not fit in these bins. I'll probably get another bin. I want to get some more jars because I need one for the flour. I got my crock pot. I think I'm going to put my air fryers right here because I have two, and then some supplements that didn't fit in the other one. So this is a very realistic type of organizational video. You're not going to see fancy wallpaper, fancy labels, things like that. We are a large family with 5 kids, and this is just realistic what works for us. I want to thank you guys so much for checking out my video. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and give me a thumbs up so I know that you liked the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.